Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake with just milk. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll be surprised how simple it is to create a delicious, creamy treat using only milk. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your milkshake has the perfect consistency and flavor, all without needing any ice cream. Get ready for a quick and satisfying recipe. To begin, you'll need about 1 cup of very cold whole milk. While other milk types work, whole milk provides the richest texture. A good blender is crucial for achieving that smooth, frothy consistency. You might also want to have some sugar, chocolate syrup, or other flavorings on hand to customize your drink. These simple items are all you need to get started. Pour your cold milk into the blender. Blend on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the milk becoming frothy and increasing in volume. This aeration is key to creating a milkshake-like texture. Now, add your desired sweetener, perhaps 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar or a flavored syrup. Blend again until it's thick, smooth, and perfectly combined. Now for the fun part, customizing your milkshake. Try adding a tablespoon of cocoa powder for a chocolate version or a few drops of vanilla extract for a classic taste. You can even blend in a small amount of frozen fruit for a fruity twist. Serve your delicious, homemade milkshake immediately in a tall glass. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals. Enjoy your creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.